Hello guys, hello everyone. This is for absolutely beginners. You are a beginner. You will not like to miss this video. Do not miss this one. Only beginners. This will help many. This one, it's a rumba for beginners. You are absolute beginners. Oh. Let's go. Absolutely beginners. So let us go, guys. So we are in F. 4, 5. F, C, A sharp or B flat, and C. Sorry. So here is another F. 5, 4, 5. I'm moving like this. So let us go. It's this position I'm playing. So 1, 2, 3. 3, 5, 1, 5. And then this is 5, eh? No, this is 2. And right. 5, 2, 5, and 2, 1. So I need you to get this. So I'm going with you slowly. And then this is 4. That's the second one. So 4. 4, 3. Yeah, sorry. So we are going to learn the solo part, beginners. So that was it. So you will start with the lowest metronome as you will succeed. So you start slowly. Ka, ka, ka. When you did here, like let us say 10 minutes, you are start to ka, 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 ka. minutes again, or one day. It will depend on your speed to learn. And here is another problem before we learn the solo. You need, as beginners, you need to know how to you know how you can actually play with this pick. A lot of people play in the very wrong way. So it's supposed to be down up, or up down. It will depend with you, but you can play. You should play. You can't play. You know, I'm playing it down, down, down. No, you should play down, up. So everywhere you play, for example, you play like this. Your answer will be like this. So, so it should be like this, not very wrong. You will be limited when you will need to shift to another level. So so the solo part is like this. It's here. This is F where. Very simple. Let us go. This is 1, 1, 5, 4, 5. So I will start like in this position of 5, but it will be 1. I will play this one and this second strings, first string. You return 1, 2, 3. So 3, 5, 3, and then you will play it 1, and then you 5. Alright. Sorry. This is 4 after. And then not touch the first, and then 4 in this position, 1, 4. So that it is, guys. Hope it will help you. My God bless you, and bye. See you in the next video. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.